Hello friends, my name is Aditya. You are watching WebCoder. Today we are going to talk about confusion matrix. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you watch the whole video, and if you find it helpful, please share with your friends that want to learn machine learning. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. The confusion matrix is one of the basic and primary evaluation metrics for machine learning models. Though its name is confusion matrix, it is not as confusing as it sounds. To understand it precisely, make sure you listen to this video carefully. So let's start with what is confusion matrix. If you googled it, you'll get something like a confusion matrix is a table that is often used to describe the performance of a classification model on a set of test data for which the true values are known, and blah blah blah. So basically it is a 2x2 matrix in which each block stores the count of either correct or wrong predictions. Now let's understand what these blocks are. Before we understand each block, keep in mind that I'm going to use terms like 0 and 1. To understand them easily, make sure you follow an example like whether you will get in the defaulter list of your attendance or not. 1 means you will get into the defaulter list and 0 means you will not. So the row in the matrix indicates the predictions while the column indicates the actual values. Okay, so the first block is called TP, stands for true positive. This block indicates that the model predicted positive and it is true. Means the actual output in our dataset is 1 and our model also predicted 1. The second block is called FP, stands for false positive. This block indicates that our model is predicted positive but it is false. Means the actual output in our dataset is 1 and our model predicted 0. The third block is called FN, stands for false negative. It indicates that our model predicted negative and it is false. Means the actual value in our dataset is 0 and our model predicted 1. And the last block, which is TN, stands for true negative. It indicates that our model predicted negative and it is true. This indicates that the actual value in dataset is 0 and our model also predicted 0. It all may sound a little bit confusing, but as you get used to it, you will understand it better. So now, as we understand the purpose of each block, let's see how it can help to evaluate our model's predictions. There are various ways in which you can evaluate our model, but we are going to see some basics. So the first method is called recall. We will use this method when we want to find out from all the positive classes how much we predicted correctly. As you can see, the first column refers to all actual positive in our dataset. The TP and FN are all positive, and to calculate how many of it we predicted correctly, we have a formula like TP divided by TP plus FN. So among total positive, we get the percentage of our correctly predicted positives. The second way is called precision. In it, we can find out from all the positive classes we have predicted correctly how many are actually positives. So now if you see at the first row, you will get predicted positives, okay, TP and FP, which our model predicted as a positive, but TP is actual positive and FP are not positive, but our model predicted as it is a positive. So to calculate the percentage of it, we have a formula TP divided by TP plus FN, and after that we have the final method, which is accuracy score. In it, we just add TP and TN, which are model's correct predictions, and divided by total prediction, means by the sum of all 4 blocks. Okay, so these are the evaluation techniques we can use with our confusion matrix. I think all this info is really hard to digest, and to digest it, let's take a look at an example. So here you can see the 4 blocks. Keep in mind that the lady is actually pregnant. So as you can see in the picture, in the first block you will see, in the true positive block, you will see that the doctor is saying you're pregnant, which is obviously true. In the second block, false positive block, you will see the doctor is saying to a man that you are pregnant, which obviously don't make any sense, which cause type 1 error. In the third block, which is false negative, you'll see the lady is pregnant but doctor is saying that you are not, which cause type 2 error. And in the last block, the doctor is saying to man that you are not pregnant, which is correct obviously. So from the 4 blocks, the first and the 4 block are the important ones. These blocks tell us how our model is performing, and if you combine both of these blocks, you will get the total accurate count of your correct predictions. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope now you know the the concept of confusion matrix. If you have any doubts, you can comment it out, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do it, and also press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming content on machine learning. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. Till then, share knowledge to gain knowledge.